A declined card payment in Cash Giraffe usually means the payment method, account details, or payment verification process needs to be checked before trying again. If your Cash Giraffe card payment is not going through, this guide shows the common causes to check and the steps that can help you fix the issue without repeating failed attempts. Start by checking the card information you entered. A wrong card number, expired card date, incorrect security code, or billing information mismatch can cause a payment to fail. Open the payment settings or account section in the app and review the details connected to your payment method. Update any outdated information before trying the transaction again. The next thing to check is whether your bank or card provider blocked the transaction. Banks sometimes decline payments because of security checks, unusual activity, or restrictions on certain types of purchases. Check your banking app or contact your card provider to confirm whether the payment was rejected on their side. If the bank declined it, changing settings in Cash Giraffe will not solve the problem until the bank allows the transaction. Another common cause is a temporary app or connection problem. Close Cash Giraffe completely, reopen the app, and make sure you are using the latest version available from your app store. A weak internet connection can also interrupt payment verification. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue continues. If your card is still being declined, avoid making repeated attempts immediately, because multiple failed transactions can create additional security checks with your payment provider. Instead, wait and try again, after confirming that your card works for other payments. You can also check whether Cash Giraffe support has a current notice about payment issues or account problems. Before contacting support, collect the details they may need, such as the email linked to your account, the device you are using, the time of the failed payment, and any error message shown in the app. The fastest fix is usually checking your card details, confirming the bank did not block the transaction, updating the app, and reviewing any error message carefully. If your Cash Giraffe card is still declined after these steps, the issue may require help from either your payment provider or Cash Giraffe support. Try these troubleshooting steps first, then contact support with the exact details of the problem. If this guide helped you fix your payment issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.